Here at Fox Ridge, our NJHS students teamed up with Aurora Warms the Night to make blankets and warming kits for the homeless. We chose Aurora Warms the Night because they, on their website, have something that says exactly what they need and what they can take. So we chose to only do warming kits and blankets, and we have collected a lot.
I didn't realize how big this project was going to be in the end. Like when I went to donate these blankets last week, there were so many. It was amazing to see how much progress we made.
55 homemade blankets, 100 and probably 30 warming kits.
Well, I just feel like doing community service allows me to help people with their own issues and what's going on with them, and be able to not really worry about my own issues. So it's also an escape for me as well. So it allows me to just make sure that someone's life is going great.
We've just been encouraging kids to do service. It's been tough this year because we can't do anything in person. So trying to find projects that they can do and still be COVID safe has been a challenge.
I really just want to do this more often with my friends, or just like try and do it on my own, because I want to be able to make a good impact on my community.
This is such a great experience, and that making an impact on someone's life really makes sure that you have a perspective on what's going on just outside your small world, because it's very easy to get stuck in your own problems and your own issues. But service is a way that you can kind of break out from that and be able to make a difference in other people's lives. And I think that's just such a great thing to know throughout life. Even if you're not doing direct community service, it's just such a great lesson to have throughout life.